Okay, 20.4 presents a nice application of dictionaries, and they mention this sparse matrix idea is that and this does happen quite a bit in numerical work, is that you may have a huge matrix. It could have like 10,000 entries, 100 by 100, but almost all of those entries might be zero. Well, that takes a lot of storage, and it would take a lot of time to add or multiply matrices or something like that. Well, there are sparse matrix methods that are much more efficient, and one of those efficiencies is just how you store it. And so here, notice the way they're going to store this matrix is by taking the row and column, so 0, 1, 2, 3, so that's row 0, column 3, and saying, oh, that entry is 1, and then row 2, so 0, 1, 2, row 2, column 1, because again everything starts at 0, so row 2, column 1 is a 2, and then finally row 4, column 3 is a 3. And now, so you see, I can store that whole matrix that had what, it was 5 by 5. So instead of 25 entries to store in the computer, I can just store 3. Now, how you go about then multiplying the matrices and so forth, well, those are methods unto themselves. That's why I'm not going to go into all of this. I'm just going to point out that this is a very nice application, is sparse matrices, and representing them this way. And and here they just point out that you can get they say get 0, 3, and the 0 now, I didn't look up the get method, so notice here's the key, it's using okay, so yeah, so here they're saying oh yeah, okay, I remember what the get method is doing, and the 0, so the second argument, and they say it right here, I just needed to read farther, I guess. So if you just say matrix of 1, 3, well, 1, 3 wasn't a key, and so it gives an error. But instead, if you use this for a dictionary, this get method, I can get that key, but if the key is not there, I'll put a 0. Well, the 0, 3 key is there, and it returns a value of 1, but if the 1, 3 key, which is not there, right, that's not there anywhere, if it's not there, it will return a value of 0. And so that's a nice way to create those zeros if you need to create them. Okay, but again, we're not going to go into this. I just thought I would show that is a very nice application of dictionaries to speed things up that way. Okay, so we'll finish with that.